Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 1, that is graph in economics of standard 12 commerce subject economics. So in our last video we have seen aspect to be considered while drawing diagram or graph, and then we have seen type of diagram, and in that we have seen many types of diagram, that is pictograph, or let's say the time based line diagram, bar diagram, pie diagram, circle diagram. So today in the types of diagram, very first types of diagram is a time based line diagram that we are going to see in this video. So first part of this chapter is already linked in the description, and this is the third part of the chapter number 1. Let's see the types of diagram in that. Very first is a time based line diagram. Let's see time based line diagram. So here this is the very first type of diagram, and let's see the definition of time based line diagram. As according to its name, it is the graph that we are drawing for the time period. So here picture we show the shape or slope of relationship in economic between two variables are often drawn with curve. So here we are drawing this time based line diagram with the help of curve, and here that can be that is a demand curve or a supply curve, etc. So economic app often use line diagram representing time based self-explanatory trend of a variable. For example, size of population in different time period, rate of inflation in various years, literacy rate in various years, etc. So here whatever diagram we are drawing to show the time period for a different time, that is called time based line diagram. So here such diagram can be termed as time based line diagram, where we are representing time factor in graph. So here this is the time based line diagram, and in this, as we know in that this diagram, the independent variable is measured on x-axis. That means here on x-axis we are going to measure the time period, and the dependent variable measured on y-axis. So the other data that is related to the time period that we are going to show on the y-axis. That here we can see the time period we have shown on x-axis, and here the diagram is for the population, and here the growth rate of population is shown on the y-axis. So here in the time based line diagram, time period will be always on the x-axis. So here let's try to understand time based line diagram with the help of one example. So here in this example we can see that the percentage growth rate of India's population since 1951. So since 1951 till 2011 there is a growth rate of population, and this is for the let's say this is for the decade. So here for 1951 to 61 it is 21.64. For 61 to 71 it is 24.80, and that is again into 71 to 81 it is 24.66, again into 1981 to 1991 that is 23.87, and 1991 to 2001 it is 21.54, and 2001 to 2011 it is 17.64. So source of this table is the census of India. So here whatever graph we are drawing, as we have discussed in our first part of this chapter, that whatever we are for whatever data we are preparing the diagram, that must be from the authentic source, so that the people who is reading this, they can trust on the information. So here from this information, let's prepare the time based line diagram. So as we know, on x-axis it is the time period, that is as we know, and we have discussed that it is time period, that is 51, 61, 61 to 71, 71 to 81, 81 to 91, 91 to 2001, and 2001 to 2011. So this is the time period, and here we have written the number, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So that is the percentage. Here the growth rate of population in percentage. So this is the, here as we know that we need the percentage from 17 to 24 somewhere. So we have written here from 17 to 24. That is the from 5 to 30. So here very first, that is for 1951, 61. We can see that the growth rate is 21.64. So here somewhere near the 20. This is the 21. So there we are going to plot 21.64. Then we can see in the 61.71. It is the 24.80. So that is in 61.71. It is nearer to 25. That is 24.80. Then in 71.81, that is 24.66. So 71.81, it is very nearer to 25 again, and it is 24.66. Then in 81.91, we can see that 23.87. So that is again we can see that the in 91, that is it is up to 23.87. Then 91, 2001, it is 21.54. So 91, 2001, it is 21. That is nearer to 20. Above the 20. So that is 21.54. And then the last one is the 2001 to 2011. It is 17.64. So here above the 15 somewhere here, it is the 17.64. We have plotted x-axis and y-axis, and then we have drawn the line, and this line is called time-based line diagram. So this is how we have to draw time-based line diagram. Students, you may note down this in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video. In our next video, we are going to see bar diagram, and that we know that bar diagram is of three types: simple bar diagram, cluster bar diagram, and divided bar diagram.